Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of TricksToTips. This is part 4 of VS Code shortcut series. In this video, we will learn new tricks in the form of keyboard shortcuts to use VS Code effectively. In this video, we will learn how to fold and unfold a particular region of code. There are few shortcuts to do this, like Control Shift and open close brackets simultaneously, and Control K plus open close brackets pressed simultaneously. It can be also done using Control K plus J to unfold all regions. So we will see each one by one. So first one, suppose I am here in this block and I am pressing Control Shift and open bracket. The whole region get folded, and Control Shift close bracket, the whole region gets unfolded. Similarly, I am in this block and I am pressing Control K open bracket. This subregion gets folded, and Control K and open close bracket, the subregion gets unfolded. And we have Control K plus J to unfold all regions. So suppose this is we are here and we press Control Shift and open bracket to fold this region, and we want to unfold all regions, so we will press Control K and J. All the regions are unfolded. One more shortcut is Control K and then C and U. Press simultaneously. That is, suppose I am here at any place in the line and I am pressing Control K C. This line will be commented, and I will press Control K U. The line will be uncommented. Using Control K, C and U, we can add or remove line comments. So these are the shortcuts for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to get more such informative videos. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Links are in the description.